Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to know what the new AFE power exhaust sounds like for the BMW Z4? Let's find out. All right, guys, let's walk through this really quick and explain what we're doing today. So hopefully you got a chance to see the DIY install video for the brand new exhaust from AFE for the BMW G29 Z4. This is a great addition. The install isn't all that hard, and my DIY video will walk you through that whole install. But with any exhaust installation, everybody's like, what's it sound like? So we have before and after footage, and I want to walk you through that. So we're going to start with the before, so you hear what the stock Z4 sounds like. Then we're going to jump into this change from AFE, and you're going to get a good sense of what this sounds like. Now, in person is always best, but this should give you a good sample of the change that this is going to make. Let's jump in. Let's get started. All right, y'all, all done. And as you can tell, you can really hear a difference between the stock exhaust and this new release from AFE. Now, I really like it. It brings the exhaust note down quite a bit. It adds a little bit more rumble, a little bit more aggression. Your burbles are a little bit more pronounced. So it does make a difference. So make sure to check out the DIY video. And I'm really grateful for AFE for making such a fantastic product that's so easy to work with and really does sound good on this new fantastic Z4 from BMW. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel, and I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next project.